Bitcoin just hit $100,000. This is a monumental achievement that has sent shockwaves through the financial world. Yeah, you heard that right, $100,000. It's a figure that seemed almost impossible just a few years ago. This is huge news, people. It's not just a number, it's a symbol of how far the cryptocurrency has come. It's like the crypto world just won the Super Bowl, the World Cup, and the lottery all at once. The excitement is palpable. This isn't just about some random digital currency going up in value. It's about a revolution in how we think about money and transactions. This is about Bitcoin finally becoming mainstream. It's being accepted in more places and by more people than ever before. Remember when people laughed at Bitcoin, when it was dismissed as a fad or a tool for criminals? When they said it was just for criminals and tech nerds? Well, who's laughing now? The tables have turned dramatically. This milestone shows that more and more people are starting to trust Bitcoin. It's gaining legitimacy and trust across various demographics. Big investors, regular folks, even your grandma who still thinks Google is just a made-up word, they're all starting to see the potential. It's becoming a part of everyday life. And let's be real, a big part of this is thanks to good old Donald J. Trump. His endorsement has brought Bitcoin into the mainstream conversation. Now I know what you're thinking. Trevor, what does Trump have to do with Bitcoin? Well, let me tell you, it's more than you might expect. A lot, actually. Think back to when he was in office. His administration had a significant impact on the crypto landscape. Remember all that talk about making America the crypto capital of the world? It wasn't just rhetoric. Yeah, that wasn't just empty talk. Trump's pro-crypto stance, especially compared to other countries cracking down on it, made the US a magnet for crypto investors. His policies were designed to attract and retain crypto businesses. It's like when McDonald's starts selling a new burger. Everyone wants a bite. The excitement was palpable. He even put people in charge who actually understood crypto, which is like finding a vegan who loves BBQ. Pretty rare in government. These officials helped create a favorable environment for crypto. This all created a safe space for crypto to grow, and boy, did it grow. The market saw unprecedented growth during his tenure. But while America was rolling out the red carpet for crypto, China had other plans. They were tightening regulations and making it harder for crypto to thrive. This contrast between the US and China created a global divide in the crypto world, with investors flocking to the US for its supportive policies. China, the country that practically invented controlling things, decided to put the brakes on crypto. They saw the rise of digital currencies as a potential threat to their tightly regulated financial system. They cracked down on mining, trading, basically anything to do with it. Overnight, operations were halted and the once bustling crypto hubs turned into ghost towns. It's like they saw Bitcoin as a threat to their own system, which, knowing China, is probably true. The government made it clear that they wanted to maintain control over their economy and financial transactions. Now you might think this would be bad for Bitcoin, right? Investors were worried, and the market initially took a hit. But here's the thing, it actually helped. The crackdown in China forced the industry to adapt and relocate, leading to a more decentralized and resilient network. You see, when China pulled out, it left a gap in the market. This gap was quickly noticed by other countries, especially the United States. And guess who filled that gap? That's right, the good old US of A. American entrepreneurs and investors saw an opportunity and jumped in. The shift was like when a star player gets injured and the rookie steps up and becomes a legend. The US took the lead in the crypto world. It's like when a star player gets injured and the rookie steps up and becomes a legend. The US took the lead in the crypto world, and Bitcoin's value surged as a result. America became the go-to place for crypto, and Bitcoin reaped the benefits. The infrastructure and regulatory environment in the US proved to be fertile ground for the growth of digital currencies. But before you go cashing in your retirement fund for some Bitcoin, let's take a trip down memory lane, shall we? Understanding the past can give us insights into the future of this ever-evolving digital landscape. Section 4. Bitcoin's Wild Ride. A look at the numbers. Remember when Bitcoin was worth like what, $10? Yeah, those were the good old days. But seriously, Bitcoin's journey to $100,000 has been a roller coaster ride. We've seen massive spikes, like when Tesla bought a bunch of it, and gut-wrenching crashes that made people question if it was all a giant Ponzi scheme. But through it all, Bitcoin kept bouncing back, proving that it wasn't just a fad. But remember folks, what goes up can also come down, and with Bitcoin, it can come down hard and fast.